Hello you guys, I'm moving. Hello you guys, long time no see. There's some major life updates here and I wanted to film a few days in my life just because there's so much going on and I want to remember this time. I just got back from Japan on Sunday. The jet lag is like major, I'm not gonna lie. This is probably the worst jet lag I've ever had. I keep sleeping until like 11 a.m. like every day unless I'm working the early shift. I'm sitting with a bunch of my little sunny angels in front of me. Oh, I pulled this happy birthday secret, which I'm really excited about. But anyways, I'm moving, which is my life update. So over the next month, I have to pack up my entire basement suite, which is why it looks the way it does right now. I'm so excited. I'm moving in with a roommate. I've never had a roommate before. That'll be fun and interesting. We've never met in person, but we've chatted a bunch on text and FaceTime, and she seems really cool. So I'm looking forward to that. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of vlog a little bit. The place that I'm moving into is available right now, but there's renovations going on and I'm actually gonna go and paint because that's okay. But a bunch of holes in the wall need to be filled. So I'm gonna go do that. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of show you the process. I'm working with very minimal budget, obviously, because I've been traveling a bunch. So we're working with mainly Facebook Marketplace finds, thrift store finds. This is some stuff here I found at the thrift store for cheap. Over the next little while, I obviously want to do move-in vlogs, a house tour. I'm so excited. So that's the life update. It's 1 o'clock. I have work in 15 minutes, so I'm gonna head out now. It's pouring rain as per usual in Vancouver. But yeah, I will update you probably tomorrow afternoon when I go see the place, and then I'm probably gonna do some filling. Probably start to bring just some bathroom necessities down there. Obviously I won't be moved in, but I'm gonna start work on it this weekend. So that's what I wanted to film, kind of move-in series part 1. Yeah, and I'm really happy to be back. I've really missed vlogging, it's so much fun. It's a little bit later in my day. It's exactly 9:50 p.m. and I'm just filming a quick self-tape. I actually just finished it. I turned off my lights. That's why the lighting's so bad. I was doing some online work for my other job and I'm actually gonna crash so hard. I'm so tired. Yeah, it's 9:50 and I work at 7 a.m. tomorrow. So I'm gonna edit this really quickly, submit it, and then go to sleep because I'm so tired. But I'm working lots, but I need to get another job because I'm not working enough. Love that for me. I should have vlogged when I had cute hair and cute outfit, but now I'm at home and I'm back in my lazy clothes. But anyways, I have spent the day decluttering lots of stuff. I've had a few bags. I've packed up some more boxes and bins and stuff that's over there. I just did all of my workout stuff, this bin that was under my bed, and then some pajamas I got rid of as well. So there's another baggish of clothing. And then also I've been scouring Facebook Marketplace because I think I mentioned I'm on a very limited budget right now, which is totally fine. That's all good. But I go on Facebook Marketplace honestly probably about 10 times a day, just searching for good stuff. And the key with Facebook Marketplace is for free items specifically, you have to be so fast. So I messaged this girl today because there's 2 floors to the place I'm moving into, and the second floor has a little landing area. It's not super big, but I thought it would be the perfect place to do a pull-out couch in case I ever have friends or anyone that comes over to stay. So I found this free pull-out couch and I messaged her because I was this is the perfect size and the perfect coloring. So this is the couch. Let's see if it'll focus. That's the couch, and she said I could come pick it up tomorrow. The only thing with it is that it doesn't have any arms, so one side luckily will be pushed against a wall, but the other side that's facing out I'll have to kind of maneuver a blanket over or find an arm that I can screw on or whatever. But honestly I don't care because the couch is really nice and it's free. So that's perfect for me. So I'm gonna go pick that up tomorrow, and there's another item down. And then tomorrow I'm also going to go get all the supplies needed for filling in all of the holes that are in the house currently and painting. I decided I was gonna do a white in the bedroom, and then everything else is gonna stay the same because I'm not technically really allowed to paint and it has to go back to its original color. So white is just where I wanna go for my bedroom. And then yeah, everything else will stay the same because it's way easier to change just one room. But yeah, that's where we're at. I'm gonna go through some photo albums in a minute, which I'm not looking forward to. I went through my desk a little bit earlier, and like, I think it's just, sorry if you can hear my dog snoring too. I think it's just about going through stuff in stages and like each time being a little bit more brutal. But I'm about to go through some old digital camera photo albums from a kind of rougher period in my life with some people that are no longer in my life. So not really looking forward to that, but it'll feel good to like get it out of my space and not carry it over into a new zone. So that's what I'm going to spend my evening doing. And then tomorrow, hopefully I will get actually access and be able to do some of that painting, or at least start it. Maybe even like taping would be awesome. But yeah, anyways, okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, it is Sunday and I am off to pick up the couch that I showed you on Facebook Marketplace from last night. Going with my dad, and obviously we're going into a stranger's home, so I don't want to film that, but I will film when we get it into my new place and I'll show you that. And hopefully today at some point I can start filling holes. I've been talking about that a bunch, but I really want to start that because it's just like feels like the next step, you know? Wi-Fi is in on the 15th, so in the next week, which is great. Still waiting on the, hello? I'm still waiting on the modem to be delivered. That's what's going on. Lily. Lily's coming with me part-time, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that, but she's like my child basically, but obviously my parents' dog, so we'll be sharing her. I will have her for the evenings and partially on the weekends, and then I'll drop her off during my work day and she'll be here. Anyways, see you later. Okay, so I'm gonna take this bin and this bin down with me. There's just some like cleaning stuff, some towels, hand soap, garbage bags, like kind of just stuff I need to exist while I'm there. And I'm gonna go take off all of the electrical plates, the panels, so that I can paint and fill holes. And then I'm also going to tape all of the stuff that I need to tape. I don't know if I'll get to filling today, because what time? I just had therapy, it's 2:30. I forgot that that was in my schedule today. So hopefully I can get all of the taping and panels off. I'm just gonna finish my second coffee and then get on that. But I'll show you when I'm there. Okay, I'm in my new bedroom. I don't know if sitting on the floor. Oh, you can kind of see me. This is my box of things that I brought with me. It's really not anything crazy, just like some jelly cats, my little sunny angels, some knickknacks I've been buying at thrift stores for this place, and then a bunch of towels, hand sanitizer, room spray, my AirPods, a plug-in for my phone. But yeah, I'm just gonna start removing all of the electric panels in this room, or like the little, I don't even know what they're called, just the panels that are on top of the plugs, so I can get a nice crisp paint going. And I don't know if I mentioned, but I'm painting this room a white color. It's a slightly, it's not like too warm or too cool, it's like very neutral because the carpets in here are gray, so I just wanted to keep it pretty neutral. My room is gonna be very light, very airy, and then the living room, kitchen, main space, I want to be kind of like mid-century modern, cozy, warm, like that's the vibes we're going for, which will be interesting because the floor is gray tile and the walls are painted almost like they're gray, but they have like a slightly green undertone. So I'm gonna have to do a lot with fabrics, rugs, lighting, get lots of cool funky lamps. So that's where we're at. Going to put my little sunny angels where the camera is, and then get started on removing some of my plugs. And that's what I'm up to. Good morning, it's It's Monday, kind of bright and early. It's 9 and we are off to go and buy the paint that I need for my place, and then hopefully this week I can start painting kind of in between working and whatever else that I'm doing. But I'm going to buy the white paint and then the paint that's like in the main part of the area. But yeah, let's go do that. Oh, I look a little crazy. I'm dog sitting right now, but I just filled all the holes in my room. There's a lot for sure. Hello, Pancho. And then once those have been sanded and wiped down again, we're gonna do paint. So hopefully tomorrow. It's paint day. Okay, whoa, this light is like really jarring. I am still painting. I think it's been a couple hours now. I did all of like the sanding of the walls, which you would have seen, and now I'm just doing like all of the edges of the room and around all the outlets, so it makes the rolling process a little bit easier. I think we're gonna do rolling tomorrow because I think it's already like 7:30 tonight and it's Sunday, and so it's getting a bit late to do everything. But the main floor is done painting wise, the other bedroom is done, the landing, and I think the stairway is all done, so it's pretty much just this room that needs to be rolled. And I think we left this one for last because this one is a different color than everything else, so it's just gonna take a little bit longer. Also because this room I wanted to go lighter than the original paint, so it's gonna take like probably 2 or 3 coats. So yeah, that's what I'm up to. I'm hoping that we'll get painting done in the next couple days, and then I can start actually moving things in. I have to go away next weekend last minute for a family thing that came up, but I'm going to a place, I'm going to Vancouver Island, to Victoria, and Victoria has like way better Facebook Marketplace than Vancouver, I think. I don't know what it is about Victoria, but people just have like the coolest shit over there. So anytime I find something good, I'm like, oh, it's Victoria, of course it is. So I'm actually like, okay, well, now that I'm going to Victoria for like the family thing, I can maybe scout out a couple cool things to bring back. Obviously nothing crazy because, like, you know, I'm just going in one car. But like, I don't know, some cool decor items might be good. But yeah, that's what I'm up to. My back is starting to hurt. I don't even know how long this video is at this point, to be honest with you, but I think after painting, I'll cut it. I'll show you like a final paint, and then the second part will be me moving in, me decorating, and it probably will be an ongoing series, to be honest with you, but this is just like the transition process. So yeah, see you in a bit. Okay, I am ending for the night. Basically all I've done is, well, not all I've done a lot, is all of the edges and cutting in, sanded down all of the holes in the wall. I'm done for the night. I'm pretty hungry, so I'm gonna head out, but I will show you guys when I am painting the full room next. Okay, we are much further along in the moving process now. I still don't have a mattress because my dog peed on my old one and dug it up, so I had to order a mattress in a box. So that comes on Tuesday. It's currently Thursday. But other than that, I think I have majority, like I would say 95% of my stuff moved here. I still have to move all of my like dried baking goods and like a few things of clothing. But honestly, like doing pretty good. It feels very chaotic, like I still have to organize everything, and I think it won't feel completely whole until I have a mattress and my bed set up. That's where we're at. So much stuff in the background. I can kind of go over the setup with you guys if you want to see. I'm not sure if this is how it'll stay, but this is how it is. Okay, so when you walk in the room, there's my bed here, my makeup vanity right by the window so I get all that natural light, some storage. All my stuff is here, more storage. I eventually want to make this like a reading nook, so having like a comfy chair, some of my books, a lamp, not really sure. And then my closet is kind of a mess. This is it. It's quite deep, which is awesome. So I have another kind of storage bin over here, all my little sunny angels. And yeah, this is like, there's a good amount of room here to walk. I think I might put a laundry basket or a plant here. This is really tight. Like, I don't know if you can see, like maybe my foot fits in there, but I thought it would be good because then I don't have to have a, I'm like literally squishing through. Then I don't have to have a chair. I can just sit on my mattress and like scooch over in the morning, but I mean, we'll see how that goes. I might actually hate it. So that's the update. I will fill you in when I get my bed and when it starts to feel a little bit more whole. Whoa. It's breathing.
It's moving.
Wow. I'm so out of breath. I just moved this whole chaise lounge up the stairs myself, so I'm literally freaking dying. But I wanted to show you my room progress. It's very chaotic right now. This is gonna be the perfect little reading nook, and I'm gonna be able to slide my walking pad underneath so I can use it. But I found this on Marketplace, and then I bought brand new covers from IKEA to match the vibe of the room. So I'm gonna put that together now. But yeah, that's how everything's going. I will be sleeping here tonight now that my mattress is finally here. And once I get all my bedding on, it'll really be cohesive. I'm gonna have to figure out what to do with this set of drawers because it doesn't fit in my closet and it's certainly not gonna fit into my room. So, don't know what to do about that, but we'll figure it out. This is like the best little reading nook ever. Love it. Hi you guys, long time no see. I know I said that at the beginning of this vlog and then promptly just dropped off the face of the earth. Anyways, I was uploading this video to be edited and realized that I accidentally deleted the outro, which is so typical of me. But that's okay because now it means I can give you another update because it's now February. So this has taken place over the last like 4 months. I have officially moved in. Obviously this place is lived in. I got like the move-in date was December 1st, but I didn't actually end up sleeping here until December, I think 24th was my first night, so Christmas Eve, which is quite funny. But I think I mentioned it in this video that it's because my dog actually peed on my last mattress, and so everything got delayed because I had to order a new mattress, and then it was just kind of a nightmare getting it actually in here. So all of that happened, which is great. And then yeah, I have officially moved in. Obviously I've been here for, what was that, December, all of January, beginning of Feb. So like 2 months basically. Love it so far. It's really like a big change obviously because you guys know that I was living in the basement suite of my family home, and so it's been a pretty big adjustment, like living by myself slash with a roommate. It's been a big change. Like mentally it's been hard. I'm so close with my family, so like that's really difficult in that sense. I've felt like very like grown up and adult, and so I think that is a good thing. I'm all settled in. My room's a mess. I've just been closet cleaning because I'm actually about to go shopping because I finally got a big girl job, which is so exciting, and that's another life update. Doesn't start until March, so I have 3 weeks to train my replacement at my current job, buy a proper corporate work wardrobe, which is where I'm going right now. But yeah, if you guys want like a full in-depth room tour, maybe I'll do that and like a little weekend vlog, or like, I don't know, whatever you guys want to see. I just love vlogging, it's so much fun, and I always like put my camera down and then forget about it. I think that's like an ADHD thing. I put it in my drawer and then I'm like, oh my god. When I open my drawer 3 months later, I'm like, I should vlog again. It's so much fun, I love it. So I just need to remember about my camera. I gotta start putting it out more so I visually see it. But anyways, that is my life update. My room is quite messy right now, so just ignore that, but really enjoying being in my new space. If you want a room tour, let me know. But other than that, I promise I'm gonna be better at vlogging. I'm gonna leave my camera out so I actually remember. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for sticking around with this like kind of wacky filming and uploading schedule that I have. I'm getting over the flu. This is my 4th week being sick, which is insane. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Make sure to like the video. Let me know your life updates down below. I love when anyone comments on my videos. I'm always like, oh my god, my friends. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video, which will be way sooner this time. I pinky promise. Bye.